Tastes good?
Is that your blankie? Does it taste like milk? Maybe it smells like milk. You gonna have the blankie for dinner?
Where's some of those little chewy rattles you got?
In the room. Hi! Hi! What are you doing, silly?
Realizes he can get his hand and pull stuff up.
Oh!
Hi!
Hi!
Big smile? Oh, big smile. Hi! Hi! Big smile. Hey, put your bib off your face and give Mom a big smile. Hey, hi.
Hi!
Hey. Hi. No big smiles?
You gonna eat that? Are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat it? Does that taste good? Does it taste good? Oh. You think you're funny? Are you pretty funny? Have another bite. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Say hi, Dad. Hi. Hi.